You can't talk to Countess Van Vleck.
Why not?
Because he lived in the 18th century.
Barney, I know that we've not always understood one another. But so far as I can recall, this is the first time we've ever been on two different planets.
Spicy from that sugar.
Yeah, probably does. Cardinal up there on the feeder. Squirrel eating the seeds.
That's how he was eating it when he turned and looked at me and had it all over his face. Like,
Covered I wish he would.
Damn, that's good.
He's just killing it.
He says, forget home, but this shit's good.
There's no point in having a count here on this.
It's not.
I just got the whole story. Do you want to hear it? Well, sit down, you're going to.
He's going fast.
Now,
Oh, yeah, he ate it all.
Yeah.
nothing to do with this.
Oh, no, he's pissed.
That's maybe why it's white, because he's licking.
That's what I said. I thought it was from him eating it. His name is Sketch.
I can't even see the screen.
No.
If you'll wait a minute, I'll tell you. They hold them over
Look at that fast kick, dude.
auction off all the stuff that they've confiscated
Oh,
during the year.
God.
yeah, he's